Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Baseus USB power adapter. It's supposed to be a really powerful adapter with about 30 watts. It has only two outputs like a normal USB host and USB-C, but if you need to divide it, you can buy a USB hub, but yeah, at least we get a lot of power out of this. That's important for at least some of the devices. Here we can find some information as well, and here some more technical information. I hope it will focus anytime soon. So here we see that we have the voltage, the amps, and so USB, normal USB output is up to, I think, 3 amps, 9 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts. We see 15 volts, 20 volts from USB-C with 1.5 amp max. So you have really a lot of possibility. We try to find out if this really works. We have also quick charge available, so we'll check on that if we can reach so much power out of this small device. So this is what we find in the box. We get some kind of instruction manual, but of course it's more like a product specification sheet and not real instructions. There are no buttons, no display, no nothing. We just plug it in, but we have to make sure we use it in a safe way. That's important. Some kind of thank you, maybe contact information here as well. Yeah, that's the warranty card. And so here we have the device. So this is how it looks. Really nice, beautiful. Here we have this switch. We can hide, or when we use it, we take it out and push it into the adapter. And I really like that, especially when you want to have something small, powerful for travel. If you can hide these plugs, I have some of these already and I like it. And I have to say, this is really strong. It's not a toy. You can really feel that it doesn't just flip and then it falls down or whatsoever. I think we have outside a little bit of protection. I will remove that to prevent even more heat build up, because with 30 watts it's powerful. It will definitely produce some heat. So here again the specs on the bottom side. What I really like is the input from 100 to 240 volts, so you can take it with you worldwide. Of course you will have to buy an adapter plug. So this is the US plug. If you travel to Europe or Australia or whatsoever, you need a different plug, but at least it will fit for different actually worldwide currents. So let's plug it in and see. Is there any kind of LED? I don't see anything, so let's try to charge something. So I have now here this load meter, and I have set it to 2.1 amps, which is pretty low. Now we have it at the main USB plug, and it should be able to deliver 5 volts and 4.5 amps, means way more. So we start the thing and we switch to power, or yeah, let's switch to voltage, which is always a good thing, because if there is too much load it will reduce the voltage. So So let's increase that a little bit. So we can see the power, I mean 5 times 4.5 should be more than 20 watts. So we are here only at 12.2. Let's increase that slowly into the region of 20. And as you can see, it dropped. Maximum was about 17 watts, and then it dropped. So that's about the peak. Now let's check the amps. Volts are still good, but the amps are only 3.3, so it looks like we cannot increase that. Otherwise it goes down. So yeah, just maybe 3.3 amps with 5 volts instead of 4.5. It's a little bit disappointing. I mean, it's not bad. When we have a charger with maximum of 3.3 amps at 5 volts, it's way more than most other chargers can deliver, but it's not the 4.5 amps which they are promising. So I am now at the USB-C host cable, but it's a little bit a lengthy cable to make this measurement, but I still was able to go up to 3 amps. But let's check how much power we really get. That's only 13.2. I mean, yeah, with this amps it should be 15 watts. Let's say if we can get more out of that, if we just increase that or close to, we should actually receive 15. Let's go a little bit up, and you can see if we increase the amps it will reduce the volts. So it really doesn't work. I mean, the maximum is, yeah, it is close to 3 amps, but yeah, it is not with full voltage. But I mean, we have here the cable, so I think we can go pretty close to 3 amps. If I would attach something directly here, probably we could get 15 watts out of the USB-C. So no complaints about that. Anyway, I have a little bit a bad cable here. I had some loose contacts, and so I'm not complaining about the USB-C, but the main USB port, it definitely was not able to deliver 4.5 amps. We only got these 3.3 amps. So it is not bad, it is not perfect, something in between. I mean, it's hard to find a perfect adapter. I mean, when I touch it, it doesn't seem to be very hot. The good thing is definitely when we try to overload, it's reducing the current, I mean at least the voltage, and so it should be a decent protection against overheating and fire hazard, which is definitely a good thing. So I don't know if I can really recommend that. It is not the best, it's not the worst, something in between. Definitely I will put down the link to the listing on Amazon down into the description, so you can check it out, maybe read other reviews about that, and if you like it you can order it right from there. So I hope I was still able to help you a little bit with that review. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.